This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Kim Perez. This Twintree model home has been well maintained and upgraded. Owners have been diligent to replace/update systems. 2015 replaced flooring with neutral color wood look ceramic tile. 2016 enclosed patio to add square footage. 2016 replaced the electric panel. 2017 replaced the roof. 2019 replaced the HVAC. 2021 replaced the windows with low E-impact hurricane windows. 2023 repainted interior paint and removed the kitchen wallpaper. 2024 HVAC Annual Service. Annual termite treatments done January. This is a well-maintained property. The floor plan offers a split bedroom design with screened front porch, large separate living room, dining room, and a family room that seamlessly connects to the sunroom. Laundry room is off of kitchen and has additional storage and a laundry sink for added convenience. Sun City Center offers a 6,000 square feet state-of-the-art fitness center, indoor and outdoor pools, a top-notch softball facility, and many well-equipped rooms for a variety of arts and crafts. They have 10 tennis courts, 6 pickleball courts, 3 immaculate lawn bowl greens, shaded horseshoe pits, volleyball courts, dog parks, and a billiards room. In addition, Sun City Center offers golf courses and over 200 cultural events. This is a golf cart community built around fun and security. Download the Golf Cart Driver's Handbook. Sun City Center is a tax-exempt 501(c)(3) not-for-profit corporation. Street maintenance is Hillsborough County's responsibility. For more information,